Okay, we're going to replace the grommet. See, that one got ripped out. I've already did this one. Ripped that one out, so I'm going to put one on this side in the stitching right here. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to take this, take that, put it down, take this little thing right here, and I'm going to do this. Okay, I think you can see me. Alrighty, we're going to take that, put her right there like that, right? I think you can see that. So, take that off, put it like that. So, take that right there, put it like this. Nope, not all the way. Oh, there went my finger. It's alright. You just like to use the hammer anyway, lightly. Well, one side is not cut right. I'm going to do it again. Well, come on now. My scissors and cut that little piece off. Hopefully without cutting my fingers. Alright. Then you take this, put it on there. You take this round thingy, it's called a base, put it right there. You gotta get a grommet. On the base, put the grommet through the hole. Sometimes it's kind of difficult, but it's a tight fit. Take round side up, put it like that. Take this little doohickey. I don't know what exactly it's called, but it works. Make sure you center it over the board and hammer the hell out of it. Sure the seat is good. I think I got it that time. And that is my new grommet in my tarp.